Sorry for the break in transmission. It was due to power outage. Uh, like what I was trying to do was to look at gold and see where we are going to. Yeah. So far on gold, you have to be very careful trading gold. After this move of 1 and 2, we are seeing this move here as a possible 1 and 2, and this we thought that we might be finishing this wave to the upside, but in our bid to finish these all waves to the upside, we have to be very careful of what the trading is trying to do. And this is quite sharp. And we are taught that we've had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that we are going to come to the downside. But now we are broken up, and that's one thing. So the price is not ready to come down. So what we can do now, I believe that with this kind of structure that we are seeing now, price is going to correct one more time to the downside, maybe shortly. Price will go up again, and at that time, price is going to correct, maybe very big to the downside. We're going to see the way manner is going to. So we are looking for a sell, really. But for now, let it correct to the downside. You can pick a short buy, then thereafter around 20, 50, 60 area, we may be getting a sell setup to push to the downside. So how we can now catch this point to buy, we are seeing a reaction here, a top here, and we can draw a trend line here, like a trend resistance to guide the price. And we can now see this a support, another trend support below here to see how price probably will bounce back, hit the trend resistance up, bounce back from the trend support below to go up. So I haven't said that let's go inside of a 1 hour to look at what I just said. So the boundary of that trend resistance is this 1, 2, or let me say the locus or the loci now. This is 1, 2. These two will determine probably where this is going to bounce back. Then this here will give us the trend support area. So if I bring out that line now, so this is the line here, this and this, we'll see where this is going to bounce back. And this area. So once we break down from here, then, or take this low, it means that we are in a big correction. So what I want us to see immediately now, it's that we are seeing this as an A, and this going up as a B. This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 7 area. Would price react here? If we get a reaction around this area, we are looking at a retracement of a 61.8 to pick a C to now do a 5 waves to the upside before we come down. If we go further up, because the reaction could occur at about 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 7, which is about 22.40 or thereabouts, or it will go up at 161.8, which is around 22.64. If it occurs here, so that means we will be looking at a possible extended flat that would not only come down, but take this low to the downside, and before we go up one more time. So in all, we are looking at 2 moves. The first move is to come down, which I don't want to sell, look for a buy. So the first move, except you know what to do, I don't want to do that. I don't want to take too much of a risk because these things could just continue to be aggressive. Break this, and continue to go. I want to see reactions first here. If I see reactions within this zone, I'll be happy for price to come down, pick a buy, because it has not burned itself. It has not shown the structure, a configuration to sell. So that's why I'll be looking for a buy. So if it comes down, I pick a buy to go up, then afterwards, I'll be looking for a sell, which will take this low. And that is what I'm trying to say here. I think that ends it. Look at what I said the first video, watch it, dissect it, digest it to understand what DXY dollar is going to do. See you during the week. Bye.